What is up today, YouTube? Here we are back at you guys with another PC build, and today we have Project Stormtrooper. This is a build for a friend of mine, his girlfriend. You can check out his channel at Neological /YouTube or whatever. Very good channel. Same thing that we do. He just doesn't have PC builds. He does more of commentated gaming. So go ahead and check him out. I will have a link for his channel in the description. But anyway, this is an ITX build. Here we have a case from BitPhoenix. Definitely one of the tougher builds I've ever done because of how small it is, and I was trying to rush and get it done, which you should never do. Always take your time. But anyway, very nice case. Build quality is great. Plenty of room and space for that ITX build. And for the processor, we went with the Intel i5-4460. Great processor for what she's going to be doing. And for a motherboard, we have a little MSI H81 Mobo. For our RAM, we have Corsair Vengeance LP RAM, which is low profile, 8 gigabytes of that, white to match the case. And for our hard drive, we have 1 terabyte of space, plenty of room for her. Next up, here we have the power supply, which is a Corsair CX500M modular, of course, for how small this build is. And for our graphics card, we decided to go with the GTX 750 Ti for gaming for her. She's going to be playing like Sims and small little stuff, unlike the big boy stuff that we do. Alright guys, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the build, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.